Hello friends and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel iTech World, your ultimate destination for the latest WriterLabs language test answers. If you are a freelancer, student or anyone looking to improve your language skills and create your account on writers on essay writing websites, especially on WriterLabs, you are you have come to the right place. At iTech World, we are dedicated to providing you with accurate, up-to-date and expertly crafted answers to well prestigious essay writing websites. We understand the importance of these tests for your online career or academic pursuits, and we are here to help you succeed. In today's video, we are going to take another test of well prestigious essay writing website Writers Labs in this live session. Okay, keep in mind you have to take this test comprising 15 MCQs in the given 15 minutes time, and 100% accuracy is required to pass this test. Okay, so be careful while taking your test. Try to watch this video thoroughly so you can create your account quite comfortably. So let's get started. To start with, we have to press this button start now. Okay, and now just have a look here. The timer has started. Okay, we have 15 minutes of time to attempt this test comprising 15 MCQs. Come to the very first question. The volcano Vesuvius can be seen in the background of the picture. Option A is the most accurate option here. Okay, you can read out all rest of all the options for more clarity. Okay, anyhow, this one is the best choice here. Okay, move to the next one. When someone gives you something, our natural desire is to give it back. Nothing is done out of good intentions, and one should expect to return the favor. This is the most accurate option. Okay, move to the next question. Read the paragraph and choose a sentence that describes it best. People have considered the possibility that the missing colonists could have assimilated into nearby Native American tribes since at least 605. If this integration was successful, the assimilated colonists would gradually exhaust their European supplies, ammunition, clothing, and discard European culture, that is, language, style of dress, agriculture, as Algonquian lifestyle became more convenient. Colonial era Europeans observed that many people removed from European society by Native Americans for substantial periods of time, even if captured or enslaved, were reluctant to return. The reverse was seldom true. Therefore, it is reasonable to postulate that if the colonists were assimilated, they or their descendants would not seek re- reintegration with subsequent English settlers. Okay, just try to find out the best option. Okay, the English colonists assimilated with the Native Americans because their supplies of clothes, ammunition, etc. exhausted. This one seems to be the accurate option. Okay, let's move to the next question. Do you realize what you've done? This one is the most accurate and appropriate option. Okay, let's move to the next question. I get very frustrated when I speak French and people don't understand me. This one is the most appropriate option. Okay, frustrated. Just have a look once again. Keep in mind you must get through this test without even a single mistake because 100% accuracy is required here. Okay, let's move to the next question. Read the paragraph and choose a sentence that describes it best. Because of the association with tariffs, many feminists have stopped identifying with radical feminism, though some of their views may be similar to the regional tenets of radical feminism. Many feminists no longer associate with the term because they are trans inclusive. Tariff is not just transphobic feminism, it is a violent international movement that often compromises its feminist stances to partner with conservatives with a goal to endanger and get rid of trans people, especially trans feminine people. So let's find out the best suitable option here. All radical feminists are trans exclusive. This is not the best, not the suitable option. Most of the radical feminists are partnered with conservatives, defining classical feminism. This one again is not the suitable option. So move to the next one. Feminism was transphobic from the start. This one is the most accurate option. Okay. So option C is the correct option. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Choose a correct sentence. I remember hear this song the first time we met. This one is an incorrect sentence. Please remember to buy me those concert tickets. Okay, this one seems to be the suitable choice. Anyhow, try to read out the rest of the sentences as well for more clarity. Try plug the headphones in. I try to hearing all the words in the song. Anyhow, option B is the most appropriate option. Okay, move to the next question. Rusa was one of the first artists known to have painted nature in plein air or out of doors. Out of doors. This one is appropriate option by all means. Okay. Option B seems to be correct by all means. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Rembrandt's self-portraits form a unique and intimate biography in which the artist surveyed himself without vanity and with the utmost sincerity. Self-portraits, this one is the best choice here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Renoir usually painted with brushes 18 inches in length. He worked always standing and he placed his canvas on his easel. Let's find out. Easel close by his sitter, almost side by side. This one is the correct option. Okay, let's move to question number 11. Oh, I hate how he argues always with me. This one is the most suitable option. Okay, let's move to the next one. Just as stage designers use lighting to spotlight a performer, painters will often highlight important elements in paintings. Let's try to find out highlight. This one is the correct option. Okay, highlight. Okay, let's move to the next question. Let me give a piece of advice: don't marry him. Option B is correct by all means. Okay, check it once again. Let me give a piece of advice: don't marry him. Okay, let's move to the next question. Pick a correct sentence. Try to find out all the correct option from these given sentences. Okay, being in danger activates our fleeing reflexes. This one seems to be the most appropriate option. Okay, anyhow, you can find out, you can read out all the sentences for more clarity. This one is the most accurate option in my opinion. Let's move to the last question. Choose a correct sentence. Without oxygen, neither humans nor animals can survive. Okay, you can read out all the sentence. I have tried it earlier in some of the tests. Okay, actually, none of the sentences is correct here, but this one seems to be somewhat better seems to be the better option as compared to the rest of the options. Okay. Okay, so option C seems to be the most suitable option in my opinion. So let's check the time. We still have 6.5 minutes. Okay, so that was your test. We shall press this button to check the result, and you will definitely pass your test. Okay, congratulations, you have successfully passed the English language test. The next step includes a short essay writing. You will have only 10 minutes to write a short essay of 80 to 100 words on a general topic. Please make sure that nothing will disturb you during this time. Okay, I will start it later. Okay, here you go. And you have got this one. That's it for today. I hope you found it quite informative and helpful. It's been a pleasure to help you here in this live session. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to say a big thank for all your support and engagement. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me. If you have any more questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to reach out. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming comment. Stay curious and keep exploring new languages. Until next time, take care and bye bye.